Hey there, YouTube creators. Welcome back to The Grow Guy, where we turn passion into growth. And today, I'm pumped to share some game-changing strategies on how to grow your YouTube channel. Whether you're aiming to reach your first 100 subscribers or dreaming of hitting that million mark, these tips are designed to accelerate your channel's success. Step 1. Define your niche. The first key to success on YouTube is knowing your niche. What are you passionate about? What unique perspective or expertise can you offer? If you can't decide your niche, you can take help from any other social media app where you can get lots of ideas what kind of content you can make. Step 2. Create high-quality content. Quality content is crucial for attracting and retaining viewers. Your content should delivering valuable information, entertainment, or inspiration that resonates with your audience's interests. As you know, quality matters, quantity not. Step 3. Use effective thumbnails and titles. Thumbnails and titles are crucial for click-through rates. Make them eye-catching and relevant, so your content can grab an audience attention. Remember, thumbnails and titles are the only thing that makes person to click on videos. Step 4. Consistent upload schedule. Consistency is crucial for channel growth. Develop a regular upload schedule and stick to it. This helps build anticipation among your subscribers and improves your channel's visibility on YouTube's algorithm. These were some such tips with the help of which you can grow your channel. Comment down on which topic I should make a video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for notifications on future uploads. See you next time.